John Jackson has had a long and distinguished career, and his passion for excellence in pharmacy practice, in particular the quality use of medicines, is well known.
My career has been varied, and I've been incredibly fortunate. I was at the vanguard of the introduction of what we used to call ward pharmacy in hospitals, clinical services, drug information services, oncology, aseptic dispensing, and that was in the big public hospitals. And then I was actually offered the opportunity to manage the pharmacy services at Epworth Private Hospital by Graham Slade. And this was thought of by my friends as a very bold step. Why would I leave this really exciting area of public hospital pharmacy to go to what was perceived to be the backwaters of private hospitals? But it was the right thing to do because they were fertile ground for these new ideas. And within 3 years, I'd set up my own practice. Right from the very outset, I made the commitment that we would only handle health or rehabilitation-related products and services. We stuck to that. So I actually had the best of both worlds there. I had my own practice, my own business, but I still had a purely professional, clinically focused role.
His significant contributions through key organisations, including the Society of Hospital Pharmacists of Australia, the Australian Pharmacy Council, the TGA Advisory Committee on Medicine Scheduling, and the Australian Commission on Safety and Quality in Healthcare, reflect both his dedication to and passion for the pharmacy profession.
I am the chair of the Social and Administrative Pharmacy section of the Federation of Asian Pharmaceutical Associations, and I'm also the president of the Western Pacific Pharmaceutical Forum. And in both of those roles, I get to engage with pharmacy in developing countries and try to share some expertise with them. I'm particularly passionate about the Western Pacific Pharmaceutical Forum. It's a massive area. Pharmacy service is so varied there. And it is incredibly rewarding when providing advice or support to the people who are trying really hard to develop their practice. So that's become a very important focus for me. Just recently, I was inspired to go back into proprietorship and set up a not-for-profit pharmacy to serve a particularly needy group of people, refugees, homeless, and other disadvantaged people who are clients of a not-for-profit community health centre. It's rather surprising how difficult it can be to set up what is largely a novel model of pharmacy service in this country, particularly when the whole concept is there to be of benefit to such needy people.
As Project Pharmacist for Monash University, he is currently examining pharmacy trends and future directions for the profession.
We cannot disregard the convergence of automation, the new retailing processes that people use to buy books and clothes and almost everything else. These things will happen. They are already happening. And so we will see access to medicines through many, many different channels, and it's actually the supply of the expertise, helping people get best use out of their medicines. That'll be the value of pharmacists.
Congratulations, 2018 Pharmacist of the Year, John Jackson.